In this video, we will be checking whether we have Python in our computer. If not, we will install it from Python's official website. Then we will install a text editor called Visual Studio Code for us to code in it. And finally, we will be writing our first code in Python. Open your command prompt and enter python -- version. You won't get this result if you don't have Python, but if you have, you can skip the next step. To install Python, go to python.org and click on Downloads. From here, you can download the latest version of Python. Follow the step wizard and you will be ready for the next step. To install Visual Studio Code, go to code.visualstudio.com and install the latest version. Once we have installed everything required, we can start coding. So here I have created a folder and I'm going to create a Python file inside this folder. Let's say app.py. Note that we should end the file name with a .py file extension. Now we can collapse this panel and write our first code. Simply type print all in lower cases, then open and closed parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis add quotations, either single quotations or double quotations. And between these quotes, enter any text of your will, like hello world. This is the print function. It displays this text in the terminal. The terminal is where we see the output of the program. Now let's save this file and open the terminal. Now type python space app.py, the name of the file. Then you can see the text here. We can also write some text which Python does not interpret. This is called a comment. Put a hashtag and write your text. Let's say this code displays hello world. In VS Code, there is a shortcut for commenting. Select a line and press Ctrl+/ to comment it. Comments are usually used to explain a block of code so that anyone can read it and understand the code. And that was your first code. In the next video, we will be talking about variables and data types in Python.